How to disable automatic downloads on Chrome Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to your Chrome browser on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, what you need to do is just tap on the three dotted lines over here at the top of the screen, then tap on settings. Now just scroll down and you can see the option of site settings over here. Tap on site settings and then scroll down until you find the option of automatic downloads. Now as you tap on automatic downloads, here you can see it is toggled on where it says that they will ask first whenever you will download. Now just toggle off this option and you'll be able to disable the automatic downloads on Chrome Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.